Disabling two-factor authentication on your Neteller account can simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account. Visit the Neteller website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the Security Settings option to manage your two-factor authentication. Step 3. Locate two-factor authentication. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the Account Recovery Checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Select the option to disable or turn off two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your registered mobile number or email to confirm this action. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, ensure you receive a confirmation message or notification. Review your security settings to verify that two-factor authentication is no longer active. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Neteller account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.